Hey guys, it's Davida with WTI. Are you looking to improve the overall quality of your skin, leaving it soft and smooth? I think most of us are, but I have been so happy using this tool right here. This is the dry brush for your body, and this is by Angel Kiss. What I like about this brush in particular is the size. I like that it fits in the palm of my hand, which makes using this tool much easier. The bristles are really soft. They're a beautiful color, and they're this natural, almost like bamboo-like fibers. The natural wood is really beautiful, as well as the burlap-like handle. I personally suffer from a lot of ingrown hairs, and that can be quite uncomfortable and annoying. I've seen dramatic difference using this tool on the back of my arms and my legs. My skin is so much smoother and softer, and many of those ingrown hairs are gone. I use this regularly 3 to 4 times per week right before my shower. There's so many benefits to using this, like it helps to improve your circulation and promotes lymphatic drainage, removing toxins. If you're looking for a very easy and affordable way to improve the quality of your skin, I would definitely try this product. And that's my point of view.